Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious milkshake at home with ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients like your favorite ice cream, fresh milk, and any flavorings you desire. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Remember to chill your serving glass in advance. This simple step ensures your milkshake stays perfectly cold and refreshing from the first sip to the last. Let's get blending. Now let's talk blending. Start by pouring your milk into the blender first, followed by scoops of ice cream, and then any syrups or mix-ins. Begin blending on a low speed to gently combine everything, preventing splashes. Gradually increase the speed, allowing the mixture to become wonderfully smooth and thick. Blend until it reaches your desired consistency, usually about 30 to 60 seconds. The best part about homemade milkshakes is customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with various ice cream flavors, from classic vanilla to adventurous cookie dough. You can also try different milk types like almond or oat milk. For extra flair, add fresh fruits, chocolate syrup, or crushed cookies. Adjust the sweetness with a spoonful of sugar or a drizzle of honey to perfectly suit your palate. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, pour it immediately into your pre-chilled glass. For an extra special touch, garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a cherry on top. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation right away. You can find a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, along with other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy blending.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.